Okay, this video takes off after the beginning Tai Chi movements, and we left off with hold the ball on the last one. The next movement is called Left Wardoff. And so from the hold the ball position, we have our weight centered on our right foot. And you have to have 100% of your weight there so that you can take your step. So your sink there, you're centered, you're going to pick up your foot, toes there, step out heel first. So one thing you need to notice about this is when I step, I do not step with this foot in front of my other foot. When I draw this foot straight back, my feet are shoulder width apart. The common error that people make is when they do this, they step and they step right in line with their foot. If you bring your foot back and it hits your heel, that's incorrect. You have a bad stance. It's not very stable. This way you're okay, but side to side you're weak. If you step out with your feet shoulder width apart, you've got a very stable base of support. Okay, so I can move side to side, back and forth, twist. I'm not going to fall over. Okay, so it's very important just in your daily life to learn about having a good base of support. So from here, I hold the ball, step out. Okay, so from hold the ball, the next part is to do the left ward off itself. So we rise, left arm comes up, right arm goes down. Midway position, I did not turn my waist. Okay, so I'm here, rise. Okay, I'm in between movements. Once again, rise. Then sink and turn, waist towards the north, arms in front, very circular movement, and finally settling your weight back. Most of your weight, 60% or more, is on your rear leg, 40% on the front leg. So in this stance, once again, it's called left ward off. The left arm is out in front of you, but it's relaxed. It's not tense. It's not hard. We just want to learn how to relax our arm in this position. At the same time, if somebody was to push on us, it wouldn't collapse. If somebody pushed, we can turn with it or turn this way and have some stability. The idea is called connection. We want to feel connected from our arm to the center of our body, hips, and feet. Okay, and then this other arm here, I'll start, say, hold the ball, step out, rise, sink. This arm is just going to come down, turn inward. This is called the tiger's mouth. It's opened up. It's turned inward towards your leg. It's not touching your leg, but turn inward. Slight circle there with your elbow out a little bit. Final position. So from hold the ball, I'm going to turn, sink, rise, hold the ball, center myself, step out, rise, sink forward, and sink. Okay, so from a different view, so you can see. So legs are bent, turn to the left, rise, turn my right foot, sink, step out, rise, sink and turn, sink more, left ward off. Okay, I'm going to turn it this way so you can follow me. Legs are bent, palms facing behind, rise, turn to the left, sink, rise, turn the right foot on the heel, sink, hold the ball, we're looking towards the north, step out, rise, and then sink and turn, turning your waist towards the north, turning your right foot to 45 degrees, and sink. From here, I want you to note that this foot is 45 degrees, this foot is straight ahead. So from here, I rise, sink and turn. As I turn my waist, I'm going to turn my foot and sink. Okay, another view. From here, legs are bent, rise, sink, and hold the ball. Center yourself, step out, rise, sink and turn, sink more. Okay? In this final position, note, this leg is bent, this leg is bent. It's not, you're not here, you're not forward. Weight is more on the rear leg. And we're looking straight ahead. Okay? Once again, arm is relaxed, shoulders relaxed. Okay, so that's our main movement. So from the beginning movements, we start here, we come up, sink, rise, going through this a little quickly, push down, rise, turn, and sink, rise, left ward off. One idea that you need to keep in mind is flow and continuity, and you get that by doing it, practicing over and over again. At first you're thinking about the movements a lot, it's hard to do, but you want to be smooth, sink, rise, sink. It's like a flowing, like a wave, water flowing smoothly, sink, very, very much up and down movement. Okay, so that ends this video. We will have another video after this.